Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So, as you can see as the title, I ain't doing a prank today. So no, I just got a squishy and I just came from school and we just left Walmart. So yeah, this is my squishy. It's white and it's a hot dog and I literally just got it. So yeah, and it smells real good, like real good. Like, this is my first time having a squishy, so I'm happy and I could paint this. So yeah, this is like so fun to play with. Y'all, comment down below if you like squishies or slime better than squishies. But I like this squishy because it smells good. I could paint it and it's soothing. Next, cool. I never had a squishy before in my whole entire life. Like, my cousin, she's 15 and she has a lot of squishies and she does people's hair. So she said if I'm at her house and we go to the store and she will buy me a squishy. But one time we went to the store, alright? They had squishies. I asked her for it and she was like, no. And I was like, but you said earlier you was gonna buy me a squishy. And then she said, well, I don't remember saying that, so no. So yeah. And I said, hold up. I bet if you buy me this squishy, I will pay you back. But she still didn't give it to me. So yeah. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And this squishy is like stretchy. I was gonna get the big one, but it was $9.59 and this one was only $5. So yeah. And the big squishy, it didn't smell nothing. You did not smell nothing. You would not smell nothing. And I like the little design right here, like ketchup. It's like ketchup. Yeah, so yeah. And like it looks like an actual hot dog, but you just need to paint it. And I'm gonna paint this brown, and then the hot dog brown, and then no, I'm gonna paint this white. I'm gonna brownish white, and then the hot dog brown, and then I'm gonna make that look like ketchup. So yeah, when I get some paint, I'm gonna do it. See, like I don't know, it's just like stretchy, like where you could break it. Hello. So yeah, this is my squishy I got, and I'm so happy I got this, and I'm blessed. And the reason why I got this squishy is because I do good in school. I get good grades. I don't get no bad grades. I get good grades, so that's why I got this. I begged my mom at the store for this. Look, y'all, I got on my nails. I was like, please, look, Mom, look at the squishy. Please, can I have it? And she kept saying, no, I'll think about it. And I was like, oh, please. And she said, fine, I will buy it if you stop begging me. And I'm like, okay. And then I got this squishy, so yeah, I got good grades, so that's why I got this squishy. And if your parents award you for getting good grades, comment down below what would you get. So yeah, like this and subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and peace.